Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making this amazing French toast. If you're interested in this, keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting off with cutting my bread, and for this I'm going to be using loaf. So the reason why I'm using loaf and not slice is because loaf tends to be thicker than slice, and for this recipe you actually need a very thick bread. So but if you have a sliced bread that is a little bit thicker than the normal thin sliced bread, then you can definitely go for that, but I advise that you use loaf. So in a bowl, I'm going to be cracking in 2 large eggs, and I'm going to be mixing these eggs together. Guys, French toast is like the perfect breakfast. Like, it is so easy to make and it is amazing. Like, you guys need to try it. I'm going to be adding in my milk, and I'm going to be mixing this together. After adding my milk, I'm going to be adding in sugar. This is totally optional. You can do without the sugar, and you can increase or decrease the amount of sugar depending on your preference. I'm going to be going in for vanilla flavor. Then I'm going to be adding in a generous amount of cinnamon. Like, this is the secret to an amazing French toast, guys. Pour in that cinnamon. Don't be afraid. I'm going to be mixing this together. Like, take a minute to just appreciate the beauty that is going on right now. And this is looking so nice, giving that marble effect. So you're going to just mix this till everything is well combined. After mixing, we're going to heat up some butter in a pan, preferably a non-stick pan. Then we're going to take our bread, dip it into our mixture. Just dip it once, turn it over, make sure everywhere has been coated properly with the mixture. Then we're going to transfer it into our pan. Please guys, do this on low heat so it won't burn. So you're going to allow it to cook for like a minute or so, and be checking it to confirm if it's brown. Once it's brown, you're going to flip it over and allow the other side to cook. That's how it's supposed to be looking. Then after it's ready, you're going to take it out from the pan. I'm going to be repeating the process of mixing, adding in my bread, making sure all sides are well coated, then transferring into the pan to cook. I added a little extra butter when I noticed that the butter in my pan wasn't enough, so it can cook properly. And I'm going to be turning my bread, making sure the other side is cooked properly, and I'm going to be taking it out. Guys, let's take a minute to appreciate this beauty. Take a minute to appreciate it. Does this not make your mouth water? It's not every time bread and tea. Sometimes French toast. So if you're going to be trying out this French toast recipe, don't forget to tell me how it went in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Bye.